Hello, Damian Milner here, the IT Administrator for Future Problem Solving. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in as a coach and import students in bulk so you don't have to enter them in one by one. So to get started, you're going to go to FPSOnline.org. You're going to click Coach Login from the top, the bottom, or the middle here. If you click in the middle, make sure you select Coach from the drop-down menu and then log in with your credentials. All right. Once you've landed on your dashboard on the left-hand side, you're going to go to the Students menu. Okay, once you've clicked on the Students menu on the left, here you'll get a list of all the students that might already be assigned to you and your teams. But if you want to add a new student, in the top left here, you would click Add New Student. But we're going to go over importing students, so you don't have to add them one by one. So in order to import the students, we have a download example file here to use. It's already formatted. You just have to complete the fields. So we're going to click to download that. Mine goes to my downloads. Yours might automatically open up. And when you open it up, you're going to see these various fields where you can fill in kind of like what we just did. So I'll just fill in a few here. I'm going to put in their email address, their age, their grade, and then their team code. Now with the team code, you're going to want to make sure that the code has already been created in the system. All right, so I'll just add another one here. Student accounts can have the same email address if you want to do that. And I left the password field blank here, but you would want to go ahead and fill in that password with the value and then save this file. After you've saved it, flip back over to your administrator here and you're going to click Choose File. You're going to browse to that file. All right, and as soon as you select it, the page is going to refresh and you're going to see those student accounts get created here. Here's their division, their usernames. I've blurred out their passwords here for security, but yours will be in plain text. Here's the student name, the team they're on, and if you see something's wrong and then you need to get rid of it, then right here you would click on this X and that would delete that student account. Hope you found this helpful. Stick around and watch some more videos on FPS Online and hope you have a great and positive day. Take care.